Good morning students, my name is Raja Chandradas. Today I am going to discuss you a very important topic called displacement current and Maxwell's corrections to Ampere circuital law. Okay. Let us start with Faraday's law. Okay. Later you will understand why I am starting with Faraday's law. Okay. So Faraday's law. I hope you already studied Faraday's law. The changing magnetic field produces electric field. That is said by Faraday. Okay. The changing magnetic field produces electric field. So also I would like to write the mathematical representation for the Faraday's law. So that is the electric field produced is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux. So that is equal to minus d by dt integral b dot da. Okay. Here you know that what is phi b? What is phi b? The magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. Then what is d by dt? Total derivative with respect to time. Okay. Now I would like to explain this mathematical expression. Okay. So this is the E dot dl is the electricity produced in the closed loop due to the change in magnetic flux. Okay. So consider a closed loop like this. This is a closed loop. So EMF induced in the circuit E dot dl. The EMF or electricity induced in the circuit by the changing magnetic field. By the changing magnetic field. This is a magnetic field. In the region encircled by this loop. Okay. So that is a meaning for this mathematical notation. Okay. So mathematical notation, E dot dl is the electricity induced in the closed loop due to the change in magnetic flux. Okay. So nature loves symmetry. From the soil we get rock, rock into soil, then tree produces seed and seed produces tree, and water we will get ice, ice to water, and water to steam and steam to water. From the symmetry consideration, James Clerk Maxwell. Sure, so he told that the changing electric field also produces magnetic field. Okay. So inverse of what is said by Faraday. Okay. So he said that the changing electric field produce magnetic field. Okay. So this is also represented by a mathematical notation. I will write it first. B dot dl is equal to minus rate of change of electric flux. So is equal to minus d by dt integral E dot dA in a closed surface. Okay. So here I hope you understand what is represented in the mathematical notation. Okay, I would like to explain once more. So, this is the magnetic field produced in the closed loop due to the change in electric flux. Okay, so I will write a closed loop. Okay, the magnetic field produced in the closed loop. Okay, so B dot dl is a magnetic field produced in the closed loop by changing electric flux, changing electric flux. So, in the region encircled by the loop. Okay. So, that is the meaning for the mathematical representation. This is known as Maxwell law of induction. Okay. So, before discussing displacement current and Maxwell corrections to Ampere circuital law, let us understand the changing electric field produces magnetic field. Okay. So, for that let us consider a situation of charging parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So, this is a plates of the parallel plate capacitor which is separated by a distance d. So, there is a non-conducting medium in between the plates. So, now, the current IC called the conduction current, so it is passed through the wire to charge the parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So, like this, a DC battery is attached to the parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So, why don't we apply that AC battery? So, using DC battery only we can charge the parallel plate capacitor. So, if you apply AC current, what happens? The first half cycle, so this is plus and this one is minus. So, plus charge goes through the wire to the plates of the parallel plate capacitor. So, charges grow up in the plate, plus charges grow up in the plate and minus charges grow up in this plate. And another cycle, what happens? So, this is minus and this one is plus. What happens? Minus charges come and grow into this plate. So, already the previous charges, plus charges are cancelled by these minus charges. Okay. So, here also plus charges will be cancelled by the minus charges. Okay. So, that is why we can't charge a parallel plate capacitor using AC current. Okay. That is why we are using DC current here. So, that is okay. So, using Ampere circuital law, we can find the magnetic field produced around the current carrying wire. Okay. So, first let us consider a situation. So, this is a point P. So, it is near the wire and outside the parallel plate capacitor. We are going to calculate the magnetic field at this point. Okay. So, for calculating magnetic field at the point P, we are going to consider a Amperean loop covering the surface S1. Okay. So, this is the Amperean loop covering the surface S1. Okay. So, when we apply the Ampere circuital law for this loop, what do we get? So, we will get that integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 into current passing. Okay. Suppose current passing at a instant, so that is IC. What we will get? Mu 0 times IC. Okay. So, this is for only closed loop. Okay. You take this equation as 1. Okay. So, what it means? The magnetic field produced in this closed loop. So, due to the current passing through the surface at that instant. Okay. So, this is represented like this. Okay. So, then the same surface S1 is enclosed by the balloon shaped surface S2 like this. Okay. The same surface is enclosed by the balloon shaped surface S2 like this. So, this is a surface S2. Okay. Here the main thing is the boundaries of the surface S1 and S2 are same. Okay. Boundary is same. Boundaries of a surface S1 and S2 are same. So but the shape is different. Okay. So Ampere's circuit law can be applied to any shape. He is asking us to take a closed loop alone. Okay. So you can take a rectangular loop, or you can take a circular loop, or you can take some other type of loop. That is not a problem. Okay. So here, so when we apply Ampere's circuit law for this loop surface S2, so Ampere circuit law can be applied for the surface S2. What you get? You get a value that the magnetic field B dot dl is equal to mu 0 times the current enclosed. What is the current enclosed here? What is the current passing through the surface S2 here? There is no current passing through the surface S2. Okay. Zero current is passing through the surface S2. Okay. So what you get the value B dot dl in the closed surface S2 is equal to 0. So this you take as equation 2. Okay. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So when you compare the equation 1 and 2, what do you find? There is a inconsistency. Okay. Here you get the right hand side is equal to mu 0 times IC. Here you get mu 0 times IC is equal to 0. That's why you get 0. Okay. So why you get 0 in the second equation? Because the surface S2 nowhere touches the wire here. The first thing, the surface S2, so that is nowhere touches the wire, the first thing. And the second thing is there is a dielectric medium between the two plates. Okay. So there is no possibility for passing current there. Okay. So you get B dot dl is equal to 0. Okay. So Maxwell resolved this inconsistency. Okay. How he resolved this inconsistency? So he told that these plates are charged up by the current. Okay. So a current is passed through the wire, thereby the charges in the plates are growing. Okay. Growing. Here this plate plus charges are growing, this plate minus charges are growing. Okay. What happened? So there will be a changing electric field setup between the two plates. Okay. So there is a changing electric field setup between the two plates. Okay. There must be a current associated with the changing electric field. Okay. There must be a current associated with the changing electric field. So this is a changing electric field. Okay. Changing electric field. So there must be a current associated with this changing electric field. Okay. Or this changing electric field produces current. Okay. So that current is represented by displacement current. Maxwell represent that current as a displacement current. Okay. So that is the current ID. Okay. I displacement current. Okay. So the displacement current, we already know the formula for current. So the current ID is equal to rate of flow of charge or rate of change of charge, dq by dt, that we know already. Okay. So here when we apply the Gauss law here, okay, when we apply the Gauss law, we can find the electrical flux between the parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So electric flux between the parallel plate capacitor phi E is equal to integral E dot dA is equal to EA is equal to Q by epsilon 0. Okay. So from here we can find the value for the charge Q. Okay. So easily we can find the value for charge Q. What is charge Q? Q is equal to epsilon 0 into phi E. Okay. So this you take equation 3. Substitute the value for Q in the equation here. What you get? You get the value of displacement current ID is equal to, so d by dt into Q is equal to epsilon 0 phi E. Okay. You take the constant outside. epsilon 0 is a constant, take it outside. So d phi E by dt. So this is the displacement current. Okay. So there is a current passing between the plates ID is equal to epsilon 0 into d phi E divided by dt. Okay. So the displacement current is a current that comes into play in the region where electric flux changes, or the changing electric field produces magnetic field. So here Maxwell showed and proved that along with the current IC, there is a current ID also flowing through the boundary, the closed surface S2. Okay. So he write the equation as, so the B dot dl is equal to mu 0 times I. So where I is equal to IC plus ID. Okay, ID is the displacement current. So that is passing between the plates. Okay. So he corrected Ampere's law by writing that B dot dl the surface is equal to IC. What is IC? Mu 0 IC and mu 0 times ID. Okay. Mu 0 times IC plus, we know the value for ID. What is ID? ID displacement current, already we found that, epsilon 0 into d phi E divided by dt. Okay. So mu 0 times epsilon 0 into d phi E divided by dt. Okay. B dot dl net surface. Okay. So this is the correction made by Maxwell's on Ampere circuit law. Okay. So this is the corrected Maxwell Ampere circuit law. Okay. Integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 into IC plus mu 0 epsilon 0 into d phi E divided by dt. Okay. Thank you.